prepare our ingredients, we need to prepare first 3½ all-purpose flour, extra flour, 2½ teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 sugar, 1 egg, butter, and our liquid milk. So we need to do was warm the milk first, then drop the sugar, use your whisk to mix it and easily to dissolve. Then prepare the yeast and drop it together slowly by slowly. Add the salt to the flour first. Mix it well. Mix until it will mix together. Even it takes time, no problem. She played. Just a kids. She want to help me. Mix until all the salt mix on the flour. And then after 15 minutes, see what happened to the yeast we make. It gives bubbles. So we need to open this one and put to our flour. Drop it slowly, individually, guys. Little by little, okay. And then mix it well. Mix. She want to help, that's why she want to do it. Mix. And then we need to transfer the dough into a working surface. Add the softened butter, guys. You need to make the butter soft first while we are making the dough, while we are kneading the dough. After we soften butter into the microwave, we can use our palm or heels of our hands to knead the dough well. Take note, guys, do not over knead the dough. We need to knead it well to reach the softened dough. And then, when we reach the softened dough, we need to put in a bowl, big bowl, and cover it well. After we reach the softened dough, we need to make it bowl and put inside the big bowl and cover it well until it 1 hour to raise it or double size. Hello guys! Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you! After 1 hour, our dough become double size. We need to put in the working surface. And then, divided the dough into the equal part size. Make it balls and put inside the tray. It must be equal part so all your bread becomes same size. After you finish make the balls, cover the tray and leave for 15 to 30 minutes to make it raise again. After it raise, you need to flatten each balls to remove extra air bubbles out. Shape it tightly to make a sandwich roll. Don't forget to preheat the oven for maximum heat, up and down with fan, to 20 minutes while you are working the dough, guys. After you cut the Vienna bread, need to cover till 15 minutes to make it rest. And then brush with egg.